think I can get out. Let's back out first, just to make sure. Just to make sure. Yes, I am getting out. Yes, my brother. Yes, yes. I am out. Close my garage. My brother. Shit. I can't really feel nothing. So, I am now going to Syun. Syun is going to change my motorcycle tires. He's going to change the tire. With the tires like the car. It's going to be weird as shit riding like this, but you know. You're going to get over there with these tires, bro. We going. We going. Right now. Shut up. I got it from here. Be quiet. I kind of don't want to. This ain't that uncomfortable. Don't pull out. Get me. Don't pull out. Everybody wait. But you know, got your arms on this and it's just leaning down on it. It's kinda, and you got your knees to hit the tire, and it's hitting like right on the tank. Oh fucking bitch! I hope it don't put no damn marks on my damn tank. Shit! Don't do that, please. Some told me put a piece of tile or some shit on here. This place is right up yonder. We're almost there, and I hope that this rubber shit comes off. We made it. We're here. Oh, I gotta step. I'm gonna drop it. This is it. Konnichiwa. Inside? Oh, okay. Alright, you see, we made it from Syun's place. Syun-San. Bike here. He's about to change me tires on the Gashimas. Cool down. A little bit. 100% safety rider. 100% safety rider right there. That's what he says. But he says he's crazy rider. I don't. You? Safety rider. Ichiban safety rider. Everybody safety rider. Arigato, Jun-san. Shun. I said June. I don't know why I said June. Syun-San. I said June. We're back, boys. We got the tires changed, and definitely feeling the tip in to be a little bit different, but that's with any new tire, especially with a tire that I haven't used before. But the laning is a little different, and just gotta break it in properly, but we'll do that. Thank you, Syun-San, arigato, for taking care of my tires, getting them on, everything done. So if you need any work done and you're here in Okinawa and you need some bike parts, anything installed or removed, contact Syun. Syun got you. He can take care of it. Yeah, see, that's exactly what I'm talking about in Okinawa. Just randomly pull out in front of people. That's why you always have to look, bro. Always. And that's why it pays to have a loud exhaust. You run around here with a little putt-putt exhaust, they definitely ain't gonna hear and look for that shit.